Hi guys, got a question from Desloma's Lager, Deslo, as to whether we can adjust the speed of the fan by putting our finger in it so that we don't get the problem with the frame rate on the camera. Now, there's a problem. When I look through the camera lens, the preview I get, I can actually see the whole clock, because I don't actually see the playback speed. So I can't tell how far out of sync it is by just looking at the camera. But what I was thinking was, if I do this anyway, as soon as you change the speed, the synchronization goes out of order, and as you can see, the numbers creep around the clock. So it's not as simple as changing the speed of the rotation. You'd also need to change the synchronization. Does that make sense? Makes sense to me. But the bottom line is, if I look directly at the clock, it is perfect due to the persistence of vision of my eyes. And if I look through the camera lens, I can still see it, because the camera is not showing me the frame rate that it's recording at. There's a bit of a flicker on the camera, but not the sort of thing we get when we actually view it back when we replay the video. I think that covers it. Stick my finger in it and it messes up the synchronization anyway, and there's no way I can actually look through the camera and check the synchronization anyway. So the answer is, don't know really. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.